How's it going, guys? So today I'm gonna be talking about the best industries to get into in 2025 if you want to make money and good money, right? Number one, the first industry I would say is financial services. If you want to make money, you have to be in the money business, right? Selling insurance, IULs, index, all this stuff. If you want to make money, be in financial services, be a sales rep. If you guys DM me, I can hook you guys up with a company. Number two, I would say AI, like anything with tech, right? Artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, anything like that. AI is really competitive. I live in the Bay Area. It's very competitive out here, but everyone makes money. Everyone makes great money out here. Maybe starting a software as a service company, right? On the computer. Anything with AI, you should be solid if you know what to do with it. Number third, I would say crypto. Anything with crypto, anything with a meme coin or investing into long term like a Bitcoin or an Ethereum or an XRP, anything like that. I think you should be again solid. And yeah, you just gotta, like I say, with any industry that you go into, you gotta be smart and you gotta like know what you're getting into, right? You gotta learn a lot about the industry. And number four is social media. TikTok videos, YouTube videos like I'm doing right now. Anything with social media. Snapchat pays a lot of money supposedly. So yeah, anything with social media, you'll make a good living with it.